Look, there's a popcorn stand and it pops up popcorn and hits the camera.
Hotel accommodations was provided by Grove Hotel, Boise.
Hello, Buccaneers. We are in Boise, Idaho, and we are going to show you the fun things you can do here.
Our first stop is the World Center for Birds of Prey.
Founded in 1970, the Peregrine Fund works around the world to conserve birds of prey. First, we're looking at some birds that are being rehabilitated. This eagle is trying to show off. We're heading to the Condor Cliffs to view the California condor. Now we're going inside the Interpretive Center to learn more about the raptors. There are many hands-on displays here. Brother is learning about migration, and I am spinning an egg that doesn't fall off the table. I am putting on the wings and flying on the ground like a bird. Brother is exploring a small cave, and we're looking at more birds. Next, we're watching a video on Tom Cade, who founded the organization in 1970. Now we're going to a live presentation to meet Ollie the Verreaux's owl, a common bird found in Africa.
Now Ollie is just a baby. He was just born in February.
Watch out, don't get pecked. We had so much fun at the World Center for Birds of Prey. Now we're walking in the Basque block. Boise has the most concentrated population of Basque Americans in the United States. Our next stop is the Basque Museum and Cultural Center. This museum preserves, promotes, and perpetuates Basque history and culture. The Basque Country is a region between France and Spain. This exhibit features photographs in 3D.
Put on your glasses, camera.
There are over 30 images of the Basque Country as it looked a century ago. Brother, no touching.
Touch and touch and touch.
I'm gonna put mine on.
Oh, it's moving forward, back, forward.
Brother, are you hiding in the wagon? Next, we're touring the Cyrus Jacobs Ubaraga boarding house. The Jacobs family home began being used as a Basque boarding house in 1910 and functioned in that capacity until 1969. It was a home away from home for people emigrating from the Basque Country to job opportunities in Idaho. I'm pretending I'm using the toilet. This place also serves as a social center that preserved many elements of Basque culture, including food, music, dance, games, and most importantly, their language. We saw many artifacts in the kitchen, including this funny-looking refrigerator. Now we're going upstairs. This bed is in a room the size of a closet. We're looking at more beds. This house was placed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1975. We're going outside to see the well and visit the gift shop before we leave. Now we're eating lunch at the Basque Market. Established in 2000, this place carries specialty items from the Basque Country, including wines and tapas. Now we're going to try some Basque food, and I'm having a chicken croquette, meatballs, and a sandwich. And Brother's having some bread pudding. Now we're going to sample some nuts at the City Peanut Shop. Located in downtown Boise, this store fresh roasts small batches of peanuts and tree nuts with unique sweet, savory, and spicy flavors. Come on, brother, let's go do some sampling.
All right, good catch.
Brother is tasting the maple bacon cashew, and I am trying the barbecue peanut. They also sell other treats such as popcorn.
Now I'm going to eat the lemon strawberry.
Wait, start over.
Now I'm gonna try.
It's too long.
Lemon blueberry shortbread, okay?
Now I'm going to try the lemon blueberry shortbread. Here you go.
Very good. We had a tasty time at City Peanut Shop. We are at the Boise Art Museum, and the sun just came out. Unfortunately, photography is not allowed, so they're not getting any publicity. Our next stop is the Idaho Anne Frank Human Rights Memorial. This is a 0.81-acre educational park inspired by Anne Frank's faith in humanity. Why is there an Anne Frank Memorial in Boise? I don't think she was born here. It doesn't matter that Anne Frank wasn't from here. Her inspirational message is reflected in Boisean values. It's time for dinner at BBQ4LIFE. Founded in 2013 as a food truck, this family-owned restaurant serves quality, fresh foods from scratch. They also have a fun kids menu and a collection of board games. And here comes our food. We're having a meat sampler with baby back ribs, pulled pork, tri-tip, and 2 sides, mac and cheese, potato salad, and 3 different barbecue sauces. There's garlic, raspberry, and spicy apple. First I'm having some salad.
And I'm having a cup.
And now the main course. I'm trying the pulled pork. And I'm dipping it with the raspberries barbecue sauce. The pulled pork is really soft and it goes well with the raspberry sauce. It's a good combination, raspberry and barbecue. Brother gives it his signature thumbs up. Now I'm going to try the tri-tip with the garlic barbecue sauce. This one. Brother is cutting up some tri-tip. And now I'm eating the ribs, which is what I've been waiting to eat. I saved it for last. Whoa. My favorite meat from this meal was the ribs. They were very juicy. And my favorite sauce was the raspberry sauce. And now it's time for dessert. Lemon bread pudding a la mode. This is also very good. Lemon is very flavorful. There's a lot of lemon flavor. This is the second best thing after the ribs. We had a delicious time at BBQ4LIFE. Stay tuned for part 3. Please hit the subscribe button and remember to look for your own adventure.